Today's CCNA term of the day is a designated router, or a DR. Consider this topology. We've got 6 routers, they're all speaking OSPF, and they're all neighbors with one another, and they want to share information. Well, information only gets shared over a link called an adjacency. Do we have to have an adjacency from every router to every other router? If so, that's a lot of adjacencies. We can use the formula of n times n minus 1 divided by 2 to tell us how many adjacencies we would have to have. And if I've got 6 routers, that's 6 times 5 divided by 2, that's 15 adjacencies I'd have to have. That's a lot. So what we're going to do instead is designate a router, a designated router, and we're going to have everybody else form adjacencies with it. Then it's going to receive information from one neighbor and then just repeat it out to everybody else. And if the DR goes down, we want a backup, so we're going to have a backup designated router, a BDR. So everybody else, all the other routers, they're going to form adjacencies just with the DR, and the BDR, they'll receive the information in on one link, they'll repeat it out to all the other neighbors, and everybody gets all the information. And you might be wondering, how do I communicate to all routers versus communicating just with a DR and a BDR? How do I just form adjacencies with them? Well, I'm showing you on screen that there are some special reserved multicast addresses, both with IP version 4 and IP version 6, to talk to all OSPF speaking routers, and another address to talk just to DRs and BDRs. And that's today's CCNA term of the day, a DR, a designated router, which allows us to reduce the number of adjacencies that we have to have among all of the routers that share a subnet.